Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and the farm, and this is Lisa. And today is auction pickup day. What did we win? You'll have to come along and find out. Ryan does these online auctions, as we've talked about before, and sometimes we get some really good deals. Other times, you know, we lose out on stuff because we don't want to pay the price for it. And so one example of that is he was bidding on another greenhouse, and I was so excited. The cost was just too close to what it would be for a new one. Well, when you get to that point, it's really not a deal anymore. So I might as well just buy a new one. So that's where we're at, but come on along, take the ride. I'm gonna film what I can at the auction. It's a little challenging to do that because there's usually a lot of people, but we'll definitely go over what we bought. So come on along, take the ride. So we're coming up to the auction. I'm gonna go pay and get my stuff, and then I'll be back. Y'all, I could seriously live out here. Look how gorgeous this is. So I paid for my stuff, got my invoice, and we're gonna go look for our stuff. Have to find out what's here and what's at the other property. All right, guys, I got all my stuff, and we're gonna go home, and I'll show you what I got and show you what kind of deals we got. All right, guys, well, we are back home, so come check out what I got, and wait till you hear the savings on this. Check it out. All right, here's what we have. So I have my paper with me, and as you can see, we spent $70 on all of this before taxes, $73.15 with the tax. And what did we get? We got 2 of these, and they are the 3-gallon poultry waters, and brand new. They go for anywhere from $30 to $45 a piece. So we got the 2 of them for $40. A little more than we wanted to spend, but we really wanted to get these, and still getting them 2 for the price of 1 new was a good deal. They're in really great shape, so we'll rinse them out and use them. They look like they've hardly been used, but they may have been sitting out somewhere because the label's coming off. Then we got 2 of these, which are the Bell Waters. They're really good for brooders and stuff. And we got those for $15 for the 2 of them. And brand new, they're the 5-quart Bell Waters. They go anywhere from $16.99 to $20 before taxes. So not a bad deal. Then we got this 25-pound feeder with the plastic grid in the bottom, which is really good at reducing feed loss and waste. We got a heat lamp bulb, another heat lamp bulb, and I think that's the 7 or the 10. I actually think it's the 10. I had the price of the 7. So, but that's all right. I can still tell you about the savings, give you an idea about that. So the larger feeder, which is this one here, which is 25 pounds, sells for $45 approximately at different stores that I looked at. And also, it's funny, they took an ice cream container and did what we do. We usually take 5-gallon bucket lids and put it over the top because then there's a little overhang. And so brand new, that goes for $45. The smaller one, I just bought a couple of 7-pound ones, and they were $16.99 locally, $20.99 on a popular shopping app where if you belong to their membership, you get free shipping. And the heat lamps, and we got those for $15. So are you ready for this? All of this cost us $70 before taxes. Brand new, it would have cost us about $183.97 based on the low range of the prices I gave. So we saved $113.97 and tax on all that. So we will get these all scrubbed up. And, you know, let's be real, homesteading is expensive to buy all the things that you need. However, there are cheap ways to get it. The only thing wrong with anything is this feeder here is missing 2 plastic pieces, and that's fine with us because it's still a good deal. I did see someone, I think it was Home to Roost Co. on Instagram, had talked about how these grids often help reduce wasted feed. No kidding. So we're really impressed with this, and we will definitely put it to good use. We have a brand new one water of this, and it's a 7-gallon, and it cost us $75. So that's what we use for our meat birds. So let me tell you, this is an amazing, amazing deal. And I like that these are small. They're easy to clean. So we'll get them all washed up, put them to good use. All right, guys, so that's my auction trip of the day. It was a beautiful day today. It was nice to get outside, take a ride, see something beautiful, and get some good deals. So hopefully soon we'll have more good deals because the auctions keep coming. And today they told me that this place will have a ton more stuff coming up in a few months, and I can see it because I was eyeing some stuff today. It's a shame it was sold. Have a great day, everybody. Take good care.